A stream of liquid shot into this cat's mouth. What kind of liquid did the master feed me? It tastes so good, I want to drink it again. This can't be a prank by the master. Was it urine? He can't be so perverted, right? The little white rabbit found the little black cat stealing snacks. Report to the owner that the little black cat ate it secretly. The little black cat jumped up with anger. This is my food bowl. That's the food the master gave me. Two kittens fell into the rabbit cage. Rabbit is shocked. What kind of beast is here? Everyone, run quickly. Cat rushes to catch up. I want to argue, this cat is not a bad person. Who is this naked animal? So ugly. It's stealing its owner's lunch. There are two fan balloons in front of this cat, but this is not my favorite color. I want to break it. So scary. It exploded under this cat's sharp claws. little gray cat is watching over Xiaobai. Xiaobai immediately put his head under the lid, found a pot of delicious food. Eat it, immediately. The little gray cat urges the little white cat, hurry up, it's my turn to eat. Meow. These are all my balloon bombs. Today I must blow up the neighbor's little black cat. Let it accept this cat's crazy revenge.